Oh my God. Oh my God, I did it. Over. All right, everyone, we are back at it today on the Delta again, but this time for Wild West Bass. We will not talk about what happened yesterday because it was not a good day. But I'm out here with Alex Fishes, per usual. We are gonna try something different today, see if it yields better results. So here we go. You gonna tuck in? I'm gonna tuck in probably. All right. Let's start the day out. See a little chatterbait. Let's throw this white spinnerbait. I'll be honest, I don't have a lot of confidence in this spinnerbait either, but I think they've been hitting it. Here we go. Oh. Okay. Come on. Stay on. Yes. Whew. All right. That is a good start. Oh. Boom. Look at this guy. Boom. All right. Thanks, bud. That's a good one. All right. Peace out, buddy. That thing hit top water. Oh, 1 second. I'm on top of something right now. Mark, 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 mark. I'm on something. All right. There seems to be. Shit. Okay. Come on. Alright, that didn't work. Oh, you think this will stop me from skipping? Yep, it will.
You know what?
Why?
I'm doing that daily.
Don't need that. Can we go on 18? There we go. Oh, came right off. All right. Where I need to be. Oh, you beat me to it. Good idea. Might be a little too deep on my side. How's it going?
Yeah, I don't care if you cast down here, but I need to have you stay out behind the dock.
No problem. I'll stay out here. Thanks for the warning.
Not your fault, but we've had a bunch of shit come up missing.
I'm sorry?
We've had stuff come up missing.
Oh shit, okay, fair enough.
You know, it's like I say, if you're in here and you cast down that way, I don't care, but
Right on, just don't sneak back here.
yeah.
Cool, I can do that.
You know, you don't have to move or anything.
Oh, it's all good. I don't think there's any fish back here.
Don't hurt you. Yeah, there's a couple of 3-footers back here.
I'm sorry?
A couple of ones that are about 3 feet long.
Like carp?
Nope,
Bass?
big bass.
Holy cow.
But they don't bite.
Isn't that all?
I feed them hot dogs, pieces of hot dogs once in a while.
Oh yeah? Oh man. I need one of those. Hello. La 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 la. Oh my god. Oh my god, I did it. Over. Whew. Tiny little guy. Oh my god. I caught a fish. I caught the one we needed.